Hello student, welcome to Ideals Biology CSIR Life Sciences Online. Today we are discussing about India's Biosphere Reserve notified by UNESCO Man and Biosphere Program 1971. Initially in India only one biosphere reserve, Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve is notified, but now in 2025 or 24 total 18 biosphere reserve are notified by UNESCO MAP program. First biosphere reserve is notified in 1986 as Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve located in Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka district state, which cover National Park Nagarhole, Bandipur, Silent Valley and Mudumalai National Park, Sirichugani Hills and Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary. And so here we are discussing about total 18 biosphere reserve located in different states and district of India and biogeographical zones. So let's get started. First biosphere reserve is Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, established in 1986, located in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, which cover National Park Nagarhole, Bandipur, Silent Valley, Mudumalai National Park, Siruvani Hills, and part of Wayanad Wildlife Sanctuary. Second, Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve, located in Himachal Pradesh state, and Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve cover Pin Valley National Park and surrounding areas, Chandratal, Serchu, and Kiver Wildlife Sanctuaries. Next biosphere reserve is Nanda Devi, located in Uttarakhand, which cover part of Chamoli, Pithoragarh and Bageshwar district. Next, Sundarban Biosphere Reserve, located in West Bengal and cover part of delta of Ganges and Brahmaputra river system. Next is Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve, located in Sikkim, cover part of Kanchenjunga Hills. Manas Biosphere Reserve, located in Assam. Manas Biosphere Reserve cover part of Kokrajhar, Bongai, Bangai Gaon, Barpeta, Nalbari, Kamrup, and Derang district of Assam. Dibru-Sakhova Biosphere Reserve, located in part of located in Assam, and Dibru-Sakhova cover part of Dibrugarh and Tinsukia district of Assam. There are Dibang Biosphere Reserve, located in Arunachal Pradesh, and there are Dibang Biosphere Reserve cover part of Siang and Dibang Valley. Nokrek Biosphere Reserve, located in Meghalaya and cover part of Garo Hills of Meghalaya. Similipal Biosphere Reserve, located in Odisha, and Similipal cover part of Mayurbhanj district. Seshachalam Biosphere Reserve, situated in Andhra Pradesh, which cover Seshachalam Hills ranges, parts of Chittoor and Kadapa district. Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve, present in Tamil Nadu and cover Indian part of Gulf of Mannar between India and Sri Lanka. Agast Malai Biosphere Reserve present in Kerala and Agast Malai include Neyar, Pepara and Sendharni Wildlife Sanctuary and adjoining areas. Kutch Biosphere Reserve present in Gujarat and it cover part of Kutch, Rajkot, Surendranagar and Patan civil district of Gujarat. Panna Biosphere Reserve present in MP, Madhya Pradesh and Panna Biosphere Reserve cover part of Panna and Chhatarpur district. Pachmari Biosphere Reserve present in MP and distributed in parts of Betul, Hosangabad and Chhindwara district. Achanakmar Amarkantak Biosphere Reserve present in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and spread in part of Anupur, Dindori district of MP and Bilaspur district of Chhattisgarh. Andhra Andaman and Nicobar Biosphere Reserve present in Andaman and Nicobar Island, which is a union territory and spread in southernmost part of Andhra, southernmost part of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So here total 18 biosphere reserve distributed in different regions or biogeographical zones of India notified by UNESCO MAP program in 1971 and onward. So here 18 biosphere reserve is important for different competitive examinations like UPSC, civil services, CSIR, life sciences, other competitive examination, state examination, DPT examination and so on. So you can subscribe, like, share and comment on my channel Ideals Biology CSIR Life Sciences online. If any doubt, if you have any doubt, please ask in comment box. And if you want many videos related to this topic or life science topic, then write in comment box. So thanks for watching. We meet in upcoming videos.